Hello everyone and welcome back to Valguero. Today I want to try to get the base up and running. I think we're hitting it pretty good. So I made a platform up above my little tiny hut here because there is a tool that I want to use. Don't mind the lack of clothing. I kind of had a bad run-in because I found two pteranodons and they both just tamed. And I happened to find a baby, a recently orphaned T-Rex, and I, adopted him. Yeah, so now we have some flyers. They're not exactly the best, but they were high level. I like the colors. So we got a 145 female. I mean, male. Yeah. I think Barney is female? Nope. Barney's a male too. Okay. Immutable health and athletic for a trait. Wow, it is a very base. That is a basic of Tyrannosaurus I ever seen one. But yes, I've been gathering a little bit of materials and picking up stuff. Got a tech parasaur. Just grabbed them, grabbed the baby Protostodon, but I'm not interested because we have something else to check out with that. But I want to get this building, and they added a blueprint maker. And you can, obviously, it does what it says, you can make blueprints. But it also offers a base of blueprints. Very small ones, like a tree house, a red barn, a circle pit, a battle dome, which is very useful for a breeding pen. But what I'm focusing on, not the longhouse, is just the Viking lawn. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, you have an entrance here, but this huge bay I kind of want facing that way. So I'm gonna try to get 250 snaps. Yeah, and then it just. Alright, so we're doing it the hard way. I want that right on the edge. Yeah, that gives me access up here. That's what I want it. That is actually relatively centered. Easily fixable. Awesome. Then we got a side access here. It's not too much into the bank, which is what I wanted. Awesome. Now we need yeah. We need a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. That's gonna look badass. Now I have been crafting what I could, which is very, very little. Thought I had more than that in here. Well, we need to go visit the helpful beavers. Or we can actually just make our own. Alright, so let's bring back out that tool. Go to auto build. Alright, so it placed like 3 things down. And that's it. But obviously we need more wood. So that brings us to our next thing. I have 759. And we have a Procrastodon, a Dodo, a Castro. It's only level 21. So I might not do that. I might just go borrow from the beaver dams. Dodec 140. Hygienodon. Let's do the Procrastodon. Like, we need stone pillars, we need all kinds of stuff. Can we craft a tech replicator? I need to learn how to read. Alright, so that is that. I mean, we ain't doing that. Let's go over and see if there's any beaver dams. I've been doing the mistake of just like murdering them because I get swarmed so hard. So we might need to not do that. Like, we need to get away and not instantly just murder everything. I don't know how far they chase you though. Look at that, there's like 2,500 wood. What do we got going on over here? Oh, we are almost way down. But yes, we did get I did pick up the red drop on the way home. I forgot to mention it earlier. We will figure that out in the coming days. So I will work on that off camera, but right now we are going to... Which one has the highest weight? 271, 263. You are the winner. And we are going to go and go get ourselves an RG. What am I missing? Hunger agent? We're gonna take some mutton. We shouldn't need it. Taking the green machine, eh? Is that really my last? That is, yeah, I only have one more ball. Let's not do that. That'll work. That'll work. Get rid of you. I'll keep my... Now there is something I want to kind of do a wide arc, so I can kind of see anything that piques my interest. But also, I want to kind of touch the redwoods because I want to see if I can find a elder crawl. Now I'm not gonna grow one. I'm gonna do like a majority been doing and claiming them, claiming the child, because that is a hell of a lot easier. That's I'm not going for a massive level, but they gather fiber like crazy, so that's what I want to do. Come on, get some stam. Exactly. Get some stam. Get some stam, please. Now, they're normally pretty decently common. A lot more easier to spot at night because they glow. I'm going to get took off my bird here to by Thyla, like the one on the ground right there. Oop, we are out of stam next to a frickin' Carno. Don't notice me, please. Notice me. Oh my god, what is that? What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? I think that was a Indom, a second gen, judging by the fear roar. And the claw is ready to like murder you. And I was right. Nope, that's an acro. That's another acro. What the frig was that? I'm scared again. Well, that's the broodmother den. I am so confused right now. With the Fear Roar, it screams Indominus Rex. The second gen. But I don't hear it. They are a very good thatch gatherer. The moose, or... Curiosity gonna kill the cat, but I really want to know what the hell that was. Nope, that was a more Rex Gen 2. It is now down in the pit. The acro is over there. Yep. Alright. So there's a Gen 2 Moro Rex, aka Indominus, down in the pit. I do not have the capability of that. So we are going to move on. Searching for an Elder Claw. And slow. No, I'm not going near that Predator. I don't feel like dealing with that mess. Searching for an RG. Alright, I'm gonna fly around, and when I find something interesting or we find a good RG, we'll be back. That'll do. Looks pretty cool too. If only I can shoot off the back of you. That's a saber tooth. Oh my god, I missed 2 shots. No! Stupid! And that's a frickin' acro. Alright. I'm wasting arrows. I mean, Allosaur. Where are you, mister? You're in the frickin' tree? That's funny. Level 2 stamina robust. Alright, we got 1 RG. I do not have a saddle. I could easily go home and get one. But don't really need to. Yeah, I'm still on the hunt for the Elder Claw. Oh, hello! Yo! I forget you exist half the time. And you are a bastard to tame, too. Doing the little coffin side quest thing. 140 RG, 25. Mail. What did I pick up? A mail. Allosaurs. Nope. Another one? Gotta admit, it's really tempting. 145 Tyrannosaurus. You're a male. You're a male. Dang it. Hey, what's up, bud? Yeah, that's not terrifying. So not only rare, I am looking 41 into melee, 36. Of course, you have 37 in the oxygen. The melee is good. I watch you just spawn out of the mist. And you are max level. We're gonna get the seed. I can't pass up a max level. Now we got the seed. If we ever need to, or going to tackle that properly, we now have the capability. So many acros. What is that? Is that a baby Philo? Only level 25. Acros, yeah. It's probably gonna be. Bye. You are spawning way too much. Way too much. Freaking Pegos, dude. Don't even start. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna get an Elder Claw, baby. They seem pretty rare. Top of it, you have to be a parent. Bye, Corno. Bye, Corno. I'll save you. Oh, no, you don't. Oh dear. Okay. Diamorphs suck because they actually can hit the rider. I'll do this. I have so much meat on me. It was nice to see that they weren't attacking. Oh, you got some nice blue on that one. Of course. The really cool looking birds are always stupidly leveled in the low aspect. Is that what I think it is? You put these in a Dino Depot and they automatically produced. Piss off, Compy. I need this. Oh wait, you need a tech replicator. Now if I can find some of those naturally, we would be in business. Huh. Okay. There's a tech soldier guy over here. Let me even try it. I thought there was something on the ground there. Man, those acros are menacing looking, but yeah, they're probably gonna go bye-bye. I don't need it hogging more spawns than it is. And it is hogging quite a lot of spawns. You see that thing flying? What is that? Oh yeah, you're in rage mode. I don't care. What is that? Oh. Alps. Oh, Megatherium that's like all cracked out. We are not looking out with the Elder Claw situation. But we did get a yeah, I'm probably gonna do some. I'll do a lot more searching off camera for the Elder Claw. Try to record. Well, we have the 150 to grow, but I do not have the materials to grow said Elder Claw. You need like ammonite bile and black pearls and to do it properly. But right up the road here, and this is where we will end, is the Easter egg of the Hobbit houses. You got one here, one there, and there's a third one right above my head. And you can go... I don't have a torch, do I? I do not. But anyway, it goes down, makes a left, and goes to just a big square room that you can convert into a base, if you would like. Nice. Chill with your foot up, Captain Morgan style. But yeah, we're gonna end this one here. Thank you all so much for watching. Started our base, got ourselves an RG, which is nice. I gotta go home and make a saddle for it, so I can get the resource gathering a little more accelerated. I do need to find a thatch grabber and a fiber, which is what I went the Elder Call for, because he grabs a lot of fiber. But again, thank you all so much for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Later.